Meaning of hobo.
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 Hobo. The word hobo generally refers to a homeless person who travels from place to place looking for work or shelter. Hobos are often associated with a transient lifestyle and may rely on begging or doing odd jobs to survive. The term originated in the western United States during the late 1800s and has since been used to describe similar individuals in other parts of the world. Despite their difficult circumstances, hobos have sometimes been romanticized in popular culture as free-spirited wanderers who reject traditional societal norms and values.